We provide an exciting entry point into STEM with our Scratch, Coding and Design course, ideal for beginners in elementary school and even early junior high. As the foundational step in our Game Engine series, Scratch uses simple, colorful block-based programming to let kids create interactive stories, animations, and games without typing complex code. Developed by MIT, Scratch has grown into a global phenomenon, with over 135 million registered users and more than 164 million shared projects as of recent statistics. It's used in schools and homes worldwide, making it the perfect gentle introduction to coding and digital creativity. This course features a streamlined set of levels, intentionally kept concise so young learners can quickly gain confidence and move on to more advanced platforms like Minecraft, Roblox Studio, or Unity. Many families complete the full sequence over 18 sessions or more, seeing steady progress and building skills without any pressure. Children adore Scratch because success comes fast. Within minutes, they can build and play their own simple games or animations. They experiment with characters, backgrounds, sounds, and interactions, unleashing imagination while naturally absorbing core concepts. Behind the fun, they're developing essential 2D game design skills, such as sequencing events, creating responsive mechanics, and visual storytelling, alongside logical coding thinking. The real joy arrives when they share their playable creations, watch friends play, and realize they've made something others can enjoy. Scratch marks the starting line in our Game Engine progression. It teaches visual programming basics, paving the way for block-to-text transitions in Minecraft, scripting depth in Roblox, and professional 3D tools in Unity. This thoughtful sequence builds confidence, creativity, and computational thinking step by step. For kids ready to turn ideas into interactive fun without frustration, our Scratch course offers the ideal, beginner-friendly launch into coding and design that sets them up for ongoing STEM success.